Remember to keep learning fun and engaging as you focus on planning, organizing, and implementing student learning in your home. Take advantage of the fact that you are not tied to a school building or a rigid schedule. Go outside and read or play hopscotch with math facts. Use fun washable markers on your windows to practice spelling words. Cook, create, and do hands-on activities when possible. Connect learning to daily life. Teach math or science at the grocery store, or have students create a budget with allowance money. Take field trips or family trips as part of the learning experience. Whenever possible, gamify learning by challenging students to win a prize or improve their last score. Have end-of-unit parties or celebrations related to learning, such as a Dr. Seuss party with green eggs and ham. And one last example, make a fort out of blankets or cardboard and do schoolwork inside. The reality is, even with the best laid plans, there are times when homeschooling feels like a circus, and that is okay. Consistency with a flexible attitude will help you to endure the crazy while your kids learn from the best teacher, you.